Ravi, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I have a really new, fun, cool and amazing toy I want to introduce to you guys. Wow. And here this is it. This is Ravi knitting machine. This looks so adorable, right you guys? It looks so simple, a simple toy, but it can make many things like a sweater hat or a scarf. Really nice, right? Here is safe for children above 8 years old, but I am so old now I can still play it. So now let's find out together how this machine works and let's make a scarf together. I got 2 wool here and some tool too and a direction for this machine. Wow, oh my god, so long.
2,000 years later.
After a really long time reading the direction, I finally know how to make this machine work. Now I will show you guys. First, I have here is 7 balls of woolen, 7 different colors. Today we will make a rainbow scarf. Now I will follow the steps from the direction to introduce to you guys how to make this beautiful scarf. Here, first is to put this thing into the machine like this. This is for the adjustment of the woolen. This is the looseness. This is the tightness. This is at the medium. Now I will start with the red one. Oh, where it start? Here. I need to. Oh, I cannot take it out. Okay, I need to put this inside a holding pad like this. I tie this. Next step is to find the white one like this. Put it in the middle of the machine. Take the woolen, put it inside like this. And we start to put the woolen like this in the zigzag. When we're back to the white one, put it in the middle like this. And put the woolen in the middle. I will try with the medium one. Now we start to knitting. Just round and round the machine like this. Yeah! Woohoo! So fun! Remember to turn this machine just one side and not to the other, or else it will loosen and you will break the scarf. Just turn like this. Yeah, look, it's so long. Whoa! Cut the red one and tighten it to the orange one. Oh my god, you guys, my hands are falling apart. So tired. But I will try my best to make this scarf work. Look you guys, I have successfully made my own scarf. It's so beautiful, right? It's so colorful and I love this so much. Let me put it on my neck now. Oh my god, so warm. Put on my heart too. It's so cute, right? Oh, I love this. Oh, you guys know what? Even though I know nothing about knitting, but this machine has helped me a lot. Love you, machine. Oh, you know what? You can buy this and make your own scarf and give it to your family too, to show that you love your family. As I love the machine too. Oh, so If any one of you like this scarf, you can put your information down the comment below and maybe I will give this to you. Remember to share this video to your friend too and put a like and subscribe to my channel too. Goodbye and see you in next video. Goodbye.